Good morning guys and welcome to beautiful paradise of India. I am in Goa and today we are exploring waterfalls and spice garden, and this is actually second time that I'm seeing the biggest spider I've ever seen in wildlife. I don't know if the camera will capture it well. I'll try to turn the camera around and show you, but I really don't think you guys will be able to see it. If I move it around, can you see it better? Maybe. Oh, here it is. Look at that. And that is huge, guys. Come closer. It's petrifying. I hate spiders. But we are going to Spice Garden first and then we're going to follow to waterfalls. Can we buy spices here?
Inside.
Inside, okay. Don't panic, it's organic. I love that.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are we shopping?
No, we're going to go for a tour apparently.
Yes.
Look at the nutmeg. And that's how a real nutmeg looks.
Wow.
Actually, he's a fifth generation to his family. He is owning, having old mud house, more than 250 years old out, still maintained by him, and he is living in that house with his family. It is taking around like 15 to 16 months, 1.5 years. So that is the reason why this is expensive. And this is having straight line, so it is a robusta coffee. America and also Brazil, they have lots of cacao. They get the production during the month of October, November. How it is grown, you can see. You can see the flower first. These are the small flower of cacao. So it grow on the trunk of tree. You can see it get the joints like this. Okay, on joints they get this flower. 2 flower on every joint. Each flower, one flower, among the flower, one flower is a male, another one is a female. Because we are not filtering. And you can see why we kept this bowl. Because when there is a no flowering season, we keep some sugar jelly as a food for them. So that bee will not leave the colony. They become male bee. When time of leaving this colony comes nearby, she gives order to make more queen bees. That time they give feeding to the eggs for 12 to. Before going inside, you can see one design here. So actually we make this design every morning, early in the morning, because this is called as a rangoli, one welcome sign to the guest. If you see this design in front of house, it means you can come anytime in the house. Some all are made by the mud only. And during daytime, this hall captures the sunlight during night. So during night we get the warm feeling. And whatever coolness is there inside the environment, during night they capture it. And that is reflected during daytime in the house. So we get the cool feel. It depends on the width of it. If a hall are a
So guys, we are now going to a waterfall and I'm really much looking forward to it. Wow, the camera doesn't give it away, guys. Okay, so we must be very careful. But there is steps here, which is good. Oh, you cannot go into the water. It says you can't. Wow, so many steps to come down. I can hear the waterfall, can't see it yet. This is so steep, imagine falling off it. Okay, so this is where it is. Look at that, guys. We're gonna come closer to it. I think you have something in the bag. The steps, and so there must have been like 1,000 steps by now. Oh wow. So this is the bottom of it. I'm going to go and dip my feet in. I am not prepared to swim. The water is super cold and I just don't feel like swimming in it. I swam in the ocean, which is super warm, but this is just below my tolerance of coldness. But maybe if I get a little bit deeper, I'll get to like it. Who knows? Ooh, that's cold. Oh my god, they're literally eating your feet. Right, can you see the sweat pouring down my head? I've just walked all the way up from downstairs, about easily 500 steps. I don't know, actually I can check that on my watch. My heartbeat gone up to 130. 1 second, let me check how many flights I did. Well, it says 8 flights, but I really think that I did much more than that. It's like 10 times more, if not more. So now we're going back to the resort and I'm pretty sure we're going to go to the beach to end the day nicely. It's good to have a swim in the evening and then probably go to the restaurants locally. I want to try some fish today.